The time loop hypothesis. Is the universe repeating forever? Are we stuck in a cosmic time loop? Deja vu? Or are we actually stuck in a cosmic time loop? What if the universe isn't just expanding forever, but instead, it keeps going through cycles? Big Bang, expansion, collapse. And then, boom, another Big Bang. And maybe, just maybe, you and I have done this exact video before. Weird thought, right? But today we're diving into one of the wildest, most brain-melting theories in cosmology, the time loop hypothesis. Buckle up, because this one's going to make your head spin. Maybe again. What is the time loop hypothesis? All right, so here's the idea. For a long time, scientists thought the universe was just going to keep expanding forever. Space stretching infinitely, galaxies drifting apart like awkward people at a party who don't want to talk to each other. But some theories say, what if that's not how it works? The time loop hypothesis suggests that instead of an infinite expansion, the universe eventually contracts, like a cosmic rubber band snapping back. This leads to a big crunch, where everything collapses into a super hot, super dense state. And then, bang, another Big Bang. Universe 2.0, or maybe Universe 5 trillion and counting. Which means we might have already lived this life before. You might have watched this video an infinite number of times. And maybe, just maybe, I've told this joke before. Knock knock, who's there? The same joke, forever. The science behind it. Okay, I get it. This sounds like something from a Christopher Nolan movie. But let's talk science. This whole idea comes from the fact that we don't actually know what happens at the end of the universe. There are three major possibilities. Big freeze. The universe expands forever, galaxies get too far apart, and everything dies a slow, cold death. Big rip. Dark energy takes over, rips everything apart at the atomic level, and reality basically unravels. Big crunch. The expansion slows, reverses, and everything collapses back into a singularity, leading to another Big Bang. Now, if the big crunch happens, it suggests that maybe this isn't the first time the universe has gone through this process. Some physicists believe in a concept called the cyclic universe theory, which means after every Big Bang, the same process unfolds, again and again and again, kind of like an infinite Netflix rerun of the universe. The ultimate déjà vu. Have we been here before? Let's get really weird for a second. If the universe keeps looping, what does that mean for you? Are you living this life over and over? Is this the first time you've ever stubbed your toe on the coffee table? Or have you done it trillions of times before? This takes us to a mind-blowing idea called eternal recurrence. The theory suggests that if the universe loops forever, then everything that can happen will happen. Not once, not twice, but infinite times. So that embarrassing thing you did in 7th grade? Yeah, it's happened every cycle of the universe, forever. But don't worry, it also means that your best moments, falling in love, achieving your dreams, eating the perfect pizza slice, also happen infinitely. Kinda comforting, right? Could we ever prove it? All right, let's bring it back to reality. Can we prove we're in a time loop? Well, not exactly, but some clues might be hiding in physics. The oldest light in the universe, called the cosmic microwave background, shows us what the universe looked like right after the Big Bang. Some scientists think if we ever find strange repeating patterns in this ancient radiation, it could mean the universe has repeated itself before. Another idea comes from quantum mechanics. Some physicists believe time might be fundamentally circular, like a Mobius strip, where the beginning and end are connected, which means time itself might be an illusion, just like my productivity levels after 10 p.m. Would you change anything? Okay, let's say this is all real. You are living this life over and over. That raises one huge question. Would you do anything differently, knowing it would all happen again? Would you chase that dream you've been putting off? Would you take more risks? Or would you just sit back and enjoy the ride knowing it's all going to loop again anyway? Maybe the real lesson here is that whether or not we're in a time loop, we should live as if we are. No regrets, no holding back. Because even if the universe resets, what matters is how we experience it this time around. So are we stuck in a cosmic time loop? Honestly, we don't know. But one thing's for sure. This is one of the wildest, most mind-bending ideas in science. And if we are in a loop, well, I'll see you in the next one. Same time, same place. Again and again and again. If you loved this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. If the universe is looping, what would you do differently next time? Until then, stay curious, stay weird, and keep looking up.